What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Stripe payment plans in Stripe. So first off, head over to Google or any browser you like. In the search bar, type in Stripe. After that, you will be redirected to this homepage of Stripe. So if you are new to Stripe, just create your account, or if you already have an account, just simply log in to Stripe. Now, when you come to the dashboard on your side, you can see the option of billing. Just click on this billing once and then click on subscriptions. After that, when you come into subscriptions on your right side, click on create this subscription. This will create a new test subscription for you. When you come to this test subscription creation, you can find or add a test customer you want, whatever, and you can even choose the duration from here, like from 30 to 31st and to forever. Here I can also change it, but I want to keep it like this for now. You can add a test product and you can even add a new product. When you add a product, your product name is required and add the description, and you can upload the images from here, and you can set the amount and your billing period, and then you can just simply click on add product to add your product. After that, you can just change this date of the bill starting, and this is also when your next invoice will be generated. And if you want some free trial days, you can even add some free trial days, and you can even add metadata. And after adding a product, you can add some phases to it, and you can change your subscription settings from here, like payment. Here are two options for payment. First is to automatically charge a payment method on file, and second is email invoice to the customer to pay manually. The first one automatically collects and charges the payment method which is on the file, and second is it will send an email invoice to the customer so that the customer can pay manually. But I'd prefer to choose the first option so that this will automatically charge the payment from the customer's account. Now, here's the billing mode. There are two types of billing modes here, classic and flexible. You can choose anyone from these, and you can even select a template. You can even create your new own template. And for example, I want to keep description, and you can add the description of your subscription from here. You can even add an invoice memo, invoice footer, customer invoice fields. And when you are done, just simply click on schedule test subscription, and you will be able to set up the payment plan in Stripe like this. So that was all for this video guys. Thank you everyone for watching.